Hello, True Crime Stories family. It's not looking good for Alex Murdaugh. Alex may not get a new trial unless his defense team fix the defects they made in their initial filing for a new trial.
Carolina's Attorney General calls documents that Alec Murdaugh's team filed with the appeals court defective. Those documents asked to halt Murdaugh's appeal over allegations of jury tampering. Thanks for joining us here on Law and Crime. I'm Anjanette Levy. Lawyers with the South Carolina Attorney General's office say Alec Murdaugh's team made mistakes when they asked to halt his appeal over allegations of jury tampering during his double murder trial. The AG says that Murdaugh's lawyers failed to file an affidavit, which is a sworn statement by Murdaugh, saying that he didn't know about this, quote, new evidence of jury tampering during his trial or couldn't have discovered it during the trial. The AG concedes that the appeal may need to be halted to resolve these claims, but the AG wrote, objective investigation by SLED remains ongoing, but the inquiry has already revealed significant factual disputes as to the claims in appellant's motion. Murdaugh's lawyers claim the Colleton County Clerk of Courts, Becky Hill, discussed her feelings about Murdaugh's guilt with the jurors and that she tried to sway them to find him guilty. Murdaugh's lawyers also cite passages from Clerk Hill's book in which she wrote about locking eyes with the jurors.
The problem I have with what she says in there is, after going to Moselle, we, if you notice, she used the plural we, felt such and such and such and such. Is that the jurors and her? I mean, I think that's great cross-examination for her when she testifies in this matter before the trial judge, if the Court of Appeals sends it back.
The AG didn't offer specifics about the factual disputes that have been uncovered. Legally speaking, for new evidence to actually be new, that means the defense couldn't have known about it or didn't know about it during the trial. The AG says it appears that Murdaugh's lawyers may have known about the possible jury tampering issues during the trial. The AG cited the words of Murdaugh's own lawyers.
I think we observed it. We did. No, I was there.
Oh, yeah, you're right.
Yeah. I was there. I watched it. But, I mean, look, we were not looking to impute any nefarious conduct. But clearly what the jurors reported to us, that they were off talking, the forelady and the clerk, I saw them together.
The Attorney General's office asked that Murdaugh's team be given 10 days to correct their filing. We know that SLED is set to interview at least 2 of the jurors in the next 2 weeks over the objection of Murdaugh's attorneys.
I'm going to show you a list of things that Rebecca Hill is being accused of. Shadow work is about revealing the unknown and the unconscious aspect of our personality. We experience our shadows when we are triggered in our interactions and relationships, including when we are depressed or have anxiety. Our shadow is repressed emotions from traumatic events we experience, whether it's childhood trauma, abandonment issues, or rejection, just to name a few. These are traumas that we try to forget about in order to move on with life and grow. Shadow work helps us reveal, accept, and get to the root of our pain because our triggers can guide us to understand what we deeply care about, bringing us closer to our life's purpose while identifying our toxic patterns through guided activities. Do you have a hard time dealing with your triggers or loving, accepting, and understanding yourself? Do you lack empathy, compassion, and gratitude for others? Use this best-selling shadow work journal to be your guide. It includes everything you need to face your shadows and start your healing journey. Keep this journal handy as a tool to discover and heal the deepest parts of your subconscious. Doing shadow work will help you become aware of subconscious self-sabotaging behaviors. This shadow work journal provides you easy-to-use pages laying out activities, exercises, journaling prompts, and more. Most importantly, it keeps you accountable and consistent in your journey to experience the healing you deserve. The shadow work journal includes a personal commitment contract, interactive shadow work exercises, over 30 profound journaling prompts. Get to the root of your shadow, guided pages to face your shadows when they appear, free space to express your thoughts, doodle, or take notes. The benefits of shadow work: improved interactions with others, healing generational trauma, set personal boundaries, grow compassion for yourself and others, become unstuck, more awareness and clarity of the world around you. Get your journal from our creator's store today.